Them say money a root of all evil. So evil is a big money tree. Everybody respect wicked people. Wicked people not like nobody. Them say police they deal with protection. But protection don't come for free. Stress we mad you with all of the bills them. But madman live easier than we. As anything people run to doctors. Doctor run to home remedy. Overclass a cost economy but every day. Get your people party. New York me want every foreigner to hear me. We no member them family a yard. Who no know every deported story. Still no make this same mistake abroad. That's why me say loyalty over royalty. And that me touch the can. Me touch the can. If you me touch can, say touch can. Hey now. Level up. Imagine you they are road and house is so hard. Just to be a liar. You go in a video light and go hype up. No upon yourself you draw down fire. Hey, you one thing me a tell people. Them can't go round the wire. Every money when me make, me no let. Me nah go be no self-destroyer. Me say loyalty over royalty. And that's me up. I love hallelujah. Big up on yourself. You don't know. I'm just saying now over there.
ETV Live, and we have Kipper. How are you doing, sir?
Yeah, man, good. All good, you know what I mean?
Yes. I just watched your performance. It was a blessed performance.
Yeah, man, give thanks, you know, give thanks to all the energy we get from the people, man, thing, you know what I mean? Give thanks to the gathering. Give thanks to all the press who come out. Everybody will take them time and come out. We appreciate them. And we just give thanks.
Yes. So what is the message you have to give to the people through your music?
Well, a lot of message, you know. You know what I mean? Because you see, what I tend to do, I tend to sing a lot about things that people can relate to. You know what I mean? So if people listen a lot of my songs, and them will know, say, yeah, me I talk about what happened in a life for real. So whether it be in a reality form, or it be in a drama form, or it be in a whatever form it comes in. You know what I mean? But it's something where them can listen to and say, yeah, we know about this, or we experience it already.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
Sure.
Yes, I hear you sing a lot about loyalty and royalty.
Yeah. Because we have to put in that punch there, you know, we have to make the people them understand, say, yeah, when time when you leave home, don't forget home. You know what I mean? Because if you don't remember where you come from, you're not going to know where you go. You know what I mean? So in order for shape the future, you have to remember the past and them things, and that carry you through and keep you up. You know what I mean? So always remember your people, them. Always remember your family. Always remember your good friend, them. You know what I mean?
Yes.
And just keep that focus there. If you have the focus there, you have life.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, man.
So what could the people expect from you from here today? Any other performances?
Yeah, man. Tuesday, I'm going to do a pass through in Brooklyn. Then you have the first, now there Orlando with Shaggy. The second, back in New York again, and next something again. Then not the third, the when. So much so, I have to call the booking agency now.
So do you plan to go to the Labor Day Parade or the Miami Carnival this year?
Yeah. If the parade provide a truck we can go up on, you know what I mean, a safe truck we can go up on, we're out there, man, definitely.
Nice.
You know what I mean? So I just hear about a good truck we can go up on and them things. Because I know for your time now, the truck problem are going out there and them things. So if we get a good truck we can go up on, it's all good.
Okay, so for the people that want to find you, Instagram, Facebook, any dates for your performances, where can they go online?
All right, the Instagram is The Real Kiprich. Yeah, The Real Kiprich. Facebook is the same thing, Twitter is the same thing. So I'm easy to find. Don't go like you can't find me, you know. I'm easy to find, you know. Yeah, see. Yeah, man, say you don't know. A Champion League something. So remember, The Real Kiprich, DIREAL KIPRICH.
Yeah, so we're here with The Real Kiprich. Big up BETV.
You don't know, BETV, everything lock into the fullest. BETV, a Champion League something. No behavior.
Thank you, bless.